Hi guys, I'm playing again, and I made a new world. It's called I don't know. I'm not. I'm just gonna condition 10 minutes because you know what happened, or maybe not. Yeah, I made a lot of progress, and I didn't need cheat. I used survival. Yeah, that's all I guess. I didn't record the process because I'm at my mom's job place and I don't talk in public, and yeah, so just finished doing the dishes, by the way. Yeah, I heard up. I've made a lot of progress actually. Yes, here is my house. Actually, I'm just going to be sundown sometime. Wait, I'm gonna show you what is spawned. You can see the coordinates, and this is my home. I forgot. Oh, my phone actually died during this event. Yeah, I should go to bed. I'm gonna tell you something all about it at the morning. So let's go to the spawn. Wait, I always forget. I always forget actually. I always forget eating, you know. I really don't know why, but I don't know. I'm gonna show you where I spawned. There's one up there. Um, I'm gonna show you where I spawned. This is my sugar type thing, yeah. Yeah. This is where I spawned at this background is so good, bro. Yeah. This is where I spawned, and I look over there. I just went straight, yeah. And so this flower field, flower biome, flower garden type thing. Yes, and I put my base there. And before I put my base there, I mined some stones. Actually, I mined some wood and got here and mined some stone. This is where I put the bed, crafting table, and my furnace. And this is the remaining type thing, you know. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. This is my house. Yes, this is my house. The coordinates is this. And this is my thing. I haven't finished it. Also, there's also something up there. Yeah, this I haven't finished this too. This is my bed. I'm not done yet because I'm gonna put more decorations. Yes. And as you can see, I made some this. Yes. Also, you know, I don't know if you don't mind this one. This journey to build, grind, go to the nether. And go to the, yeah, and beat the ender dragon. That's my goal actually. Like, I'm too focused on building. So, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna farm this. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna go downstairs and find this dude. I'm quiet and just like talkative person. And like yeah. I'm just sorry, that looks terrible. I don't have any wood. And I only have birch wood, so like yeah. And this is my sugar cane thing. And where I got wood, yeah, some of them. Yeah, I got wood here. Also the back of this mountain, mountain actually. I got wood. There was a plenty of wood here, but I demolished it. Yeah. Sorry if I keep saying yeah. You just say it like bro, you know. I'm not playing frogs. I'm just joking. I'm not mocking. I'm just actually, I don't know. If you don't understand, I'm so sorry, bro. Yeah, all these flowers here is naturally generated. Ooh, a bunny. I love bunnies, bro. Like, it's using real Minecraft. So, like, they're really not, chunky. Yeah. Yeah. I guess that's all, but like, I'm so sorry, guys. Oh my god. Yes, and this is where I got my coal, and ooh, I'm gonna explode it someday. Actually not. Bro, yo, bro, I'm so pissed, bro. Yeah. Wait, let me go back. Just sorry, bro. Just that, like, bro, like, I'm just like not in the mood. Just so full. I actually ate so much today. Yeah. I'm gonna, but by the way, my mom just bought cereal for me for breakfast type thing. I'm just so happy, bro. Just, finally can take diet. Like, I weigh 78 kilogram, bro. 78, bro. Like, I'm so fat. And yeah. Gotta take diet. I'm a very, very, by the way, if I finish doing everything, especially the end, by the way, I convinced my mom to buy me real Minecraft, and she seems to be pleased. Yes, bro. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Yes, I'm so happy, bro. But I'm gonna make tables. I'm gonna show you how I make tables, okay? Where's my... Oh, I burned it. Oh. Never mind. I'll make another one. Yes, just put this pressure plate. I think I have something. Oh no, I don't. Okay, that's and this. All I need is this. I got this idea from villages, Yeah, and put that there. Yeah, this is how I make it. I'll take it off in 10 minutes, but like, I'll do it for like 14 minutes because the limit is 15. Yeah, I'm gonna whoa! I'm gonna show you, yeah. Sorry if my fan sounds very fun right now, sorry. I'm really poor right now, like, yeah. No. No. Oh wait, what? Oh. I'll see you next Tuesday. I don't know about that. Bro, like, bro. Okay. By the way, how are you guys doing? Somebody's watching, actually. Not really that fun. So you can see, not really good at anything. I'll try to go on make PvP, something PvP, because if I get real Minecraft, okay, yeah, and I also got 10 people from Killington. Yeah, I didn't make that name, but okay, I need. Oh yeah. I have this. I'm gonna put everything here, but like it's getting night, so like I don't wanna go outside or do something. Yeah. And this is old. You see that white the thing? Yeah, I took the leaves to decorate it like this. Yeah. Okay, I should go inside now because like, it's getting dark. I'm sorry if you can hear me. So yeah, that's all. I guess that's all. Bye. I said it's 14 minutes, but like, yeah. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.